Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed. An easy storage option with the rolling cot, Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed with 4-inch memory foam mattress is available in 3 different sizes. It comes with a rollaway guest mattress, known to be ultra supportive and soft. It has a medium feel mattress to it, known for featuring 1 inch of the memory foam and around 3 inches of support foam. You can quickly pull this bed out for children or guests and then fold and roll away for that super easier storage option. It comes with easy assembly and locking wheels for safety. It comes with CertaPure, a certified memory foam, preventing any harmful odor from taking place. The bed becomes safe for children to use. The bed comes with spring supportive deck, which will support comfortable than the wooden slat and wire mesh support. The bed comes with heavy-duty frames with 10 years of warranty. There is no need to use tools anymore. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milliard Premium Folding Bed with Memory Foam Mattress. Known for its super strong sturdy frame and a perfect guest bed option, Milliard Premium Folding Bed with Memory Foam Mattress is one item that you might want to invest some bucks on. This bed features fit and finish the module. Here, the full metal bed frame comes with features like double reinforced stabilizer bars and assisting folding. It comprises of a memory foam mattress with removable softcover. This bed has a trampoline base, which is not just supple but supportive at the same time. It comprises the clamshell folding pattern, which will securely shut the bed with an adjustable trident buckle for easy opening and closing. You can use this bed with other mattresses as well. The bed comes with easy assembly. It is simple and includes a detailed instructional manual along with pictures. This is one super strong need for adults and can be folded to be just 12 inches thick. This folding bed can hold up to 400 lb. At number 3, we have the Linon Home Dcor Luxor Memory Foam Folding Bed. Available in beige color, Linon Home Dcor Luxor Memory Foam Folding Bed Mattress is a perfect option if you have to work out on the bed for guests and have no space for presenting a traditional one. This item comprises of a steel frame and a mattress of smooth polyester polyurethane foam finish. It comprises of a beige damask fabric cover and associated with casters for easy mobility. The product comes with a sturdy metal tube frame with the durable wooden slat supports. The mattress is topped with a layer of the memory foam and with a space-saving sleeping arena. This folding bed is just perfect for your overnight guest stay, especially in your vacation homes. This bed can be placed in storm shelters with a weight cap of 275 pounds. You can place twin flat sheets on the bed for better and comfortable sleep all the way through. At number 2, we have the Linon Verona Cot-Size Folding Bed. The most distinct differentiation of this Linon Verona Cot-Size folding bed from other options is its multicolored variations in here. This product is available in a steel frame and with a mattress with a weight capability of 275 pounds. This product comes in a multicolored fabric, making it easier to match all your different needs in styling up a room. There you have casters designed for easy mobility. So, now you can carry the bed anywhere with you and do not have to worry about its movements. It has a sturdy metal tube frame associated with durable wire supports. Moreover, this product is really easy to store with twin flat sheets compatible. The top of this bed comes with a non-woven material as its fabric type, with 100% polyester, fiber 70% polyester, 30% cellulosic fiber. The bed comes fully assembled and you can use it anytime as an extra bed for guests, kids, and even adults. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zinus Rollaway Folding Guest Bed. If you are looking for a twin bed, which is narrow in size and can fit any house, then Zinus Rollaway Folding Guest Bed Frame with 4-inch comfort foam mattress is the one that you might want to deal with. It is available in 2 sizes and the mattress layers include 1 inch of the comfort foam, 2 inches of the viscolatex foam and 1 inch of premium quality support foam. This bed comes in 12 inches of high-strong steel folding frame. The bed frame has wheels on it, making portability an easy task here. It is made using the highest quality foam, which is CertiPure US certified for good performance, durability, and content. The product comes with a worry-free 1-year warranty. So, if anything happens at this point without any fault of yours, this folding bed will get replaced with a completely new one then. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.